Are you playing football?
Yes.
I am playing football. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes.
No, I am not waiting for someone. Are you crying?
No, I am not.
বস চলে আসে তাহলে এবার আমি কি কোশ্চেন করবো এম ইজ দ্যাট দিয়ে আর ইউ প্লেইং
Yes, I am playing.
আর ইউ ড্রাইভিং এ কার
Yes, sir, I am driving a car.
ইজ ইউর ওয়াইফ ক্রাইং ফর ইউ
No, sir, my wife is not crying for me.
for me are you is your mother waiting for you
Yes, sir, my brother is waiting for me.
are you playing are you speaking English with me
Yes, sir, I is speaking in English with for
you are they understanding the class
Yes, sir, I am.
they I'm just are they understanding the class মানে কি তারা কি ক্লাস বুঝতেছে তাহলে কি হবে
Yes, sir, they are understanding the
class are they enjoying the class
Yes, sir, they are enjoying in the class.
are you enjoying the class
Yes, sir, I am doing.
I'm enjoying that
Yes, sir, I am enjoying the class.
are you waiting for someone
Yes, sir, I am waiting for someone.
is Sumaya waiting for you
Yes, sir, Sumaya is waiting for me.
are they crying
No, sir,
They are not
crying.
are they understanding everything
Yes, sir, they are understanding everything.
এবার এপিসোড দিয়ে আমাকে কয়েকটা প্রশ্ন করেন
Are you playing football?
No, sir, I am not playing football.
Are you crying for someone?
Yes, I'm always crying for someone.
Are you operate the computer?
Operating the computer.
Aren't you operating the
No, sir,
computer?
I haven't. Sir.
Why aren't you operating the
Because
computer?
I'm taking the class in.
Are you driving car?
Are you driving?
Are you eating
No,
rice?
I'm not driving. Subject is is she, is Sumaya, is Kaveri, is Akash bhai, is Kudus bhai.
Isn't Sumaya driving
সব সময়
car?
এখানে অন্য কাউকে আনেন Is Sophia?
Is Sophia driving a car?
No, Sophia is not driving a car.
Is Boldu driving a car?
Yes, Boldu is driving a car. Swimming pool, Boldu আরেকটা
Is Sophia swimming in the pond?
Yeah, Sophia is swimming in the pond. Okay, বোঝা গেল? ভাই আপনি চলে আসেন। কি হবে?
What's your name?
My name is Ahamed.
Are you eating rice?
Yes, I eating rice.
I am eating rice.
Are you playing football?
Yes, I play football.
Very good. Thank you.
Are you driving a car?
No, I'm driving a car.
I'm not driving a car.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, are you
I am
waiting for you?
someone. It's very good. Thank you very much. এবার আপনারা কি প্রশ্ন উনি খাইতেছে কিনা ঘুমাইতেছে কিনা দৌড়াইতেছে কিনা
Are you eating rice?
Yes, sir, I
Excellent.
am eating rice. No, sir, I am not eating rice.
Are you playing football?
Playing
Sir, I am
football.
playing football. No, sir, I am not playing football.
Are you driving a car?
Yes, sir,
Driving a car.
I am eating
Are you driving a car?
Yes, sir, I am driving a car. No, sir, I am not.
এবার সাবজেক্ট চেঞ্জ করেন সুমন ভাই স্যার রহিম ভাই পরি ভাই এরকম হবে
Someone by
Is Suman bhai?
Is Suman by driving a car?
Yes, someone is driving a car. No, sir, is not driving a.
Very good, sir.
Sophia is driving a car.
Yes, Sophia is driving a car. No, sir, Sophia is not driving a car.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Every year for you. More than আপনারা তাই দেই খুব সুন্দর বলেছেন। আপনি বলেন তারা আপনি চলে আসেন।
Are you learning English?
Yes,
Learning
English?
Yes, I am learning English. No, sir, I am not learning English.
Subject চেঞ্জ করে is she, is he, is Korean,
By learning English?
is Rohit.
Is Rohit learning English?
Yes, Rohim is learning English. No, sir, Rohim is not learning English.
Is Rohim playing football?
Yes, Rohim is playing football. No, sir, Rohim is not playing football.
Thank you very much. বলতে এই এমিজারে তো আর কোনো সমস্যা নাই। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। তারপরে তাহলে আমরা সাইন দিয়ে দেই এমিজার হয়ে গেছে। আর এটারই অতীত হচ্ছে ওয়াজ ওয়াই। আমি থাকছি এমিজার যাচ্ছিলাম ওয়াজ ওয়াই। আমি যাচ্ছিলাম আই ওয়াজ গোইং। আমি আসছিলাম আই ওয়াজ কামিং। ওকে, আমি আসতে চাই না। আমি দেখতে চাই না। আমি বলতে চাই না। I would not like to say আমি মিথ্যা বলতে চাই না। I would not like to tell like এটাকে সংক্ষিপ্তভাবে বলা যায় শুধু সাউন্ড বলে I couldn't এই যে দেওয়া আছে I couldn't like to go I wouldn't like to tell a lie শুধু সাউন্ড শুধু ভালো লাগছে না I wouldn't like to marry আমি বিয়ে করতে চাই না Would you like to wait for me?
Yes, I can.
Would you like to wait for me for the forever? Yes, I would like to wait for you for the forever. Would you like to speak English?
Yes, I can.
Would you like to go to America? Would you like to go to Australia? Would you like to get the visa for going to Romania?
Yes, I can.
Would you like to speak English? কেউ বলবে না। Yes?
Yes, I would like to speak English.
Would you like to go to America?
Yes, I would like to go to America.
Would you like to marry?
Yes.
Like to marry. Would you like to play football?
Yes, I would like to play football.
Would you like to play football?
Yes, I would like to play football.
Football, right? Would you like to take breakfast?
Yes, I would like to play football.
Wouldn't you like to wait for me? I would like to. এই তো very good. বুঝে গেল কত সুন্দর না? এটা হচ্ছে পৃথিবী মানে আমার কাছে পৃথিবীর সবচেয়ে সুন্দর একটা word. মানে would you like to speak? Would you like to have me? Would you like to draw a picture? Would you like to operate the computer? Would you like to sing a song? নিজেকে বুঝে বুঝে বলবেন। আপনারা তাদের সাথে কথা বলবেন। বলবেন আমার পার্টনার নাই। তাহলে কি হবে? নিজেকে বলে তাদের সাথে ফ্যানের সাথে কথা। Oh, wow. Would you like to go rapidly? Fan উত্তর আপনি উত্তর দেন আমি ফ্যান উত্তর দেন। Yes. Yes, I would like to move rapidly. Would you like to slow? Would you like to move slowly? Yes, I would like to move slowly. Would you like to stop? Yes, going with it. Yes, I would like to stop. Would you like to would you like to move with sound? With sound show and move the child. Move the child. Yes, I would like to move with sound. No, I wouldn't like to move with sound. What happened? Wouldn't you negative? Wouldn't you like to go to Dhaka with me? No, I would like to go to Dhaka with you because I'm sick today. Wouldn't you like to share with me about your problem? Do you have to share to come up? Yes, sir. I would like to share with you about my problem. No, sir. I would like to share my problem with you. Yeah? মজা কি না? এটা তাহলে শেষ। তাহলে আমরা নতুন সাবজেক্ট যাই?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I will come.
Would you say your five words prayer?
Yes, sir, I will say my final.
Do you get up early in the morning?
Yes, sir, I
I get up early in the morning. Did you help to the poor people?
Yes, sir, I help to the poor.
Would you stay at Khulna?
Yes, sir, I would stay. I stayed.
Wouldn't you stay at Rangpur?
No, sir, I went.
I wouldn't stay at Rangpur. Won't you come tomorrow?
Yes, sir, I will come.
Won't you help me?
No, sir. Yes, sir, I
Yes,
will.
I won't. Won't you call me over phone?
Yes, sir, I will.
Won't you wait for me?
Yes, sir, I will.
Don't you believe that?
Yes, I believe that.
Didn't you believe that?
Yes, I believe.
Haven't you understood?
Yes, I have understood.
Thank you. মনে থাকবে? আপনি করবো? Okay. Would you drive a car?
Yes, I could drive a car.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Would you stay at Jinaidamo?
Yes, I would stay at Jinaida.
Did you get up your bed from your bed yesterday early in the morning?
Yes, I got play
From my bed?
for my bed early in the morning.
Yesterday. Okay. Will you join with me next session, inshallah?
Yes, I will join next session, inshallah.
Inshallah. Do you get up? Do you know how to drive a car?
Yes, I know how to drive a car. No.
Do you believe that you will be able to speak English?
Yes, I will believe that I will be able to speak English.
Right. Are you feeling good?
Yes, I am feeling good.
Can you speak in English?
Yes, I can speak in
Could
English.
you draw a picture?
Yes, I could draw a picture.
দেখছেন আপনারা ভাইরা যা শিখছে এগুলো দিয়ে কথা বলবো আপনি বাইরে থেকে শিখছে যা শিখলাম গতকালকে এগুলো দিয়ে আমরা কথা বলবো Can you play football?
Yes, I can play football.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Will you do something for the society?
Yes, I will do something for the society.
Would you stay at Jinaidamo?
Yes, I would stay for at Jinaida.
Have you understood?
Yes, I have understood.
Have you bought a new dress for it there?
Yes, I have what stay
New
for
dress.
English.
New dress for
Yes.
it there. Okay. Have you played football?
Yes, I have played football.
Football. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
Hey, okay. Have you understood?
Yes, I am.
Have you enjoyed the class?
Yes, I am.
Enjoy. But আপনি কি আমার তো পেয়েছেন? Have you enjoyed the class? Yes.
Yeah, I'm enjoying that.
Have you joined the class from last day?
Yes, I'm enjoying the work.
Hey, very good. Are you crying?
No, sir.
I am not. Have you any problem?
No, sir. I'm okay.
Would you stay at Bashamo?
No, I am interested.
I would stay
I will stay.
at Gora. মানে আমি বাসাবো গোরা থাকতাম আমি বাসাবো থাকতাম না আমি কোথায় থাকতাম I would stay at Gora. I wouldn't stay at বাসাবো মনে থাকবে? Are you feeling good? কি মনে হচ্ছে? সম্ভব? Will you be able to speak English?
I will be able to speak.
Sure? Confident? জোরে বলো, yes.
Yes. I will be able to speak.
ওকে, তাহলে যা বললাম এই ছোট ছোট ওয়ার্ডস দিয়ে আমরা একটা কথা বলবো। আরেকটু চলে আসেন। Will you join the class tomorrow?
Inshallah, I will join the class tomorrow.
Will you be able to do something for the society?
Yes, I will be able to do something for the society.
তারপর say, do you know how to drive a car?
Yeah, I do now.
I know how to drive a car.
Drive a car.
Do you speak English all the time?
Yes, I know about spoken English all the
All
time.
the time. Okay. Have you understand? Have you understood?
Yes, I have understood in this everything.
Have you enjoyed the class today?
Yes, I have enjoyed in this class.
Today's class. Okay. Will you have to go to this Uttara today?
Yes, I will have to go to today.
এবার আমাকে প্রশ্ন করবেন যা শিখলাম কেন শিখেছি কোন শিখেছি উইল শিখেছি ডুলাস শিখেছি এগুলো দিয়ে আমাকে প্রশ্ন করবেন হ্যাঁ বলেন
Could you drive a car?
yes I could drive a car
Could you enjoy this class?
yes I could enjoy the test
Because why could you enjoy this class?
because our students are improving day by day for the reason I was enjoying the class they were feeling good in here for the reason I could enjoy the class in here by hearing you by seeing you by I'm seeing that you are improving for the reason I'm enjoying the class I could enjoy the class right
Thanks. Will you play football?
no I will not play football
Will you go to Dhaka?
yeah I will go to Dhaka
Why will you go to
I
Dhaka?
will go to Dhaka for meeting with you for taking the class inshallah your William Bastinsky oh very good William Bastinsky hey ধরাটাই হচ্ছে important right William Bastinsky উঠ দিয়া বুঝতে পারেন
Would you go to Dhaka?
মানে কি
Go to Dhaka.
যেতে very good yes I will go to Dhaka আরেকটা
Would you do this work?
yes I will do this work no sir I will not do this work আরেকটা
Would you stay in Bashabu?
yeah I will stay at Bashabo no sir I will not stay at Bashabo তারপর students
Do you play football?
yes I play football no sir I don't play football
Do you drive?
yeah I twice
Do you breakfast?
yeah I take my breakfast tea এবার দেখো কি কমন করতে হবে এটা হচ্ছে কথা এটা বলতে পারতে মনে করছেন আপনারা বের হলো একদম সোজা বেরোটা কি হয়ে গেছে একদম ডিপ মানেই হচ্ছে বেরোটা টুডা হচ্ছে মাদার অফ ইংলিশ টুডা কি বলি মাদার অফ ডিপ কি বলবো ফাদার অফ ইংলিশ আর হ্যাভেস বলে সোশ্যাল সায়েন্স তাহলে ফাদার ইন অফ ইংলিশ রাইট ওকে
Did you play football in
প্রথম কি বলে বুঝতে পারছি
city? Football খেলেছি?
ভেরি গুড প্রথম একটা হাত তালি দেয় একটা হাত তালি হবে তুমি ফুটবল খেলেছিলে yes I played football আরেকটা
Have you car?
yes have you driven a car আর ওইটা হচ্ছে যখন বসতো তখন হচ্ছে নাও আমার তোমার কি গাড়ি আছে have you car তোমার কি বাড়ি আছে have you house ওকে বুঝে গেল আচ্ছা আমরা একটা কাজ করি থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ